is Jess Brightly, and I'm a registered dietitian, and I know a lot of people haven't seen the Ensure powder, so I figured I would show you guys, open it up. Ensure powder is really good for storage if you have limited space. There's 7 servings per can, and you're going to take half a cup and mix it with 3/4 cups of water. You can do a little more liquids if you'd like to. I like to do 8 ounces in almond milk, and you can add bananas, you can do a smoothie, you can do a milkshake, and this is really good for people losing weight, having wounds that need healing, post-surgery, working out, wanting to have extra calories in their day, not interested in cooking. There's so many reasons, but let's mix this up. I got my shaker bottle with some almond milk. You can pour 3/4 of a cup right in there. You can also do a little bit more if you want it a little watery. Really versatile. You can mix it into your food. Once you open the can, you have 3 weeks to use the can. Whatever you make in liquid form, you can store in the fridge for 24 hours. You don't need to keep this in the fridge. It doesn't contain lactose or gluten. So if you have a lactose intolerance or a gluten allergy, you would be safe to eat this. I have a 1/4 cup because it fits really nicely in. Very creamy and foamy, and it's the consistency that I like. You can do it thicker with less than what I did. I did 8 fluid ounces of almond milk, and that is so good. It definitely tastes very milkshakey, vanilla milkshake, very like ice cream, so it would be good in baked goods as well. I highly recommend this. My residents love it. For the standard recipe, which you can find on the back, it's half a cup of leveled powder and 3/4 cups of water for those 250 calories and 9 grams of protein, which will give you all the vitamins and minerals you need in that meal. Dump it in. 1/4 cup is a half cup. It comes out looking nice and frothy. It's a nice milky texture, creamy. It's sweet, vanilla, cookie, cake-like milkshake. I love it. It's so good. Definitely recommend it.